Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me on this Saturday morning. I don't do videos on Saturdays normally, and certainly not ones including kittens, or two of them, but I've got all of my swaps that I've brought back from the incentive trip to Alaska that I got home from a couple of weeks ago. Firstly, I'm going to apologise for the fact that I'm wearing a plaster. I haven't cut my finger, but I have ripped the fingernail right off down at the bed, and it's very sore and it's not very pretty. Nobody needs to see that. But fortunately, by the time you get back to seeing regular tutorials, I won't have that on anymore. But yeah, so today and tomorrow, unfortunately, you're going to see that. And I do have a busted little finger. Some of you may have seen that I was playing catch with my son with a leather football, soccer ball to my overseas friends. And the ball bounced on the floor and came back up and hit straight on there. It's not as swollen as it was. You can still see it's a bit puffed up on here. It's not broken, fortunately. There was a little spur on the end of the bone, which is basically a bit that sticks out. I haven't heard back from the X-ray department, so although it's been sent off, clearly they don't think it warrants me going back in. But I've had this rather unattractive thing that I've been wearing. So I'm not doing very well with my right hand right now, but I've taken it off because that's not pretty and I don't need it in the video. I can manage without. So anyway, let's get on with the swaps. See, I had to put my name on it in case I got muddled up. So let's start with this, and it's always amusing to me to get my swaps back, so it was quite funny. Yes, thank you, Barry. Quite funny to get this one back. I've briefly looked while I was on the trip, but I haven't looked since. So this is a project that I've made in the past, and this is Julie Manino, and there looks to be, I think that's a Twizzler. Oh, I've got my blinds down and Sorrel has decided to put her head in the blinds and separate them. Silly kitten. So it's suddenly gone really, that you go, oh, she's trying to get behind the blinds. Oi, silly kitten. Hopefully she'll come out again in a second and it won't be quite so bright. Ugh, I've got nothing to block the light either. What does that do? That casts a shadow. Let me put that there until she's moved. Okay, let's get on with some more socks. Now this is a lady called Amy. So we have a thing called a share fair. You can't stand on the blind. Oh, that silly kitten. We have a thing called a share fair. And there's a group of demonstrators who are invited to present, and they are given products to work with, to showcase, and you get a chance to go around and they do little 10-minute presentations over and over and over again for 10 minutes. And Amy had new products, so I'm very, come on Sorrel. I'm very excited to get this swap, and it spells joy. It's a door hanger with new products in it. Well, actually it looks to be a mix of old and new. But yeah, really excited to get that. So thank you very much, Amy. If you could see this kitten, I'm going to have to snap a picture on my phone and put it on my business page. Because you just... Right, picture taken. Hang on, let me show you what she's doing. That's where she is. She's got between the blinds. Dippy kitten. Never work with children and small animals. Or is that animals and small children? Anyway, right. So what have I got here? So this is from Michelle Litwiller, or Litviller. And how do I get in it? Oh, there. So this is Berry, who sat on my desk. And this is a little tea pouch. Oh no, it's gourmet gum. Wow. Sugar-free gourmet gum. Never heard of that. Thank you very much. I've got here. Did you see that? She's just stolen a marker. So this is one that I meant to put myself. So Stampin' Up said to us, if you're making 3D projects, bring them on the trip, flat packed, and then complete them on the trip. But I'm not sure that that little bit was passed on in the memo, so I think I have to put it together myself. So I'm guessing that bit goes like that, and then it's got bits to punch in, and I certainly recognise the design. So that's from Rumi. Oh, now Rumi is a Japanese demonstrator. Well, she's from Japan, but but lives in the UK. No, sorry, she lives in the USA, but is from Japan. And so, yeah, I met her on one of the day trips. And so, do not steal. She's trying to steal Amy's door hanger. Put that up there. And that will come round, and I'm guessing this bit folds over, closes and tucks under there to make a triangular box. Yes, definitely familiar. Love to get swaps that are my design projects. So, and I guess that perhaps goes under there. So there's one, and I've got another one here that I've got to build as well. So this is from Simone, who is VIC. Oh, Victoria. That's probably off. Oh, it could be off Victoria, Australia, or it could be Victoria, British Columbia. I'm not sure. Oh, look, and it's. Do you know, this looks to be gift box punch board, but the same style of closure as the last one. How funny. It goes like that. Oh, she's nicked another pen. She's going to come straight across my... Look at her. She's got it in her... Can I have that back? Thank you. Get it out of the bag. And we've got... So I should make it clear, I did 3D swaps. And this is Jessica Brigden. So I've got 3D projects coming back to me. And... Come on, Berry. Out the way. Oh, I can't get that open. So in here is a tea bag. And oh, I wish I could get this open, but I can't. But it looks like it folds out, and actually that looks like it was glued in, and I've just separated the glue. But very cute. Oh, she's now off a pencil. Oh, another one for me to put together. My swaps were completed and made, and I took them out there, completed and made. So. Who's this one from? It says, stamp your art out. Oh, so this is Rachel Tessman. I only saw Rachel very, very briefly on the trip. Just the once. Are those bits? Well, I guess they're meant to fold out. Oh, here we go. So, she's made the holes a little bit wider so that that will go through like that, and it will close up like that. Cute. Very sweet, thank you, Rachel. What have I got here? Shannon Cole, Stampin' Cat Crew. And this is, there's a chocolate in there, yummy, with a little wrap around it. Nessa Webb from Australia, and it says 3D Swap Hostess Gift Box. And maybe it was me that misinterpreted it, but I'd swear it said, bring them out flat and make them there. But it's okay, I'll have fun putting them together. And those bits fold in. I like this embossing. So this is a die, but I'm guessing she's used the embossing mat, or the embossing adapter thingy. So, well, you can see how that goes together to get this effect. So it's with a die, but using the embossing. I want to call it the embossing chamois, but I know it's not that. So thank you, Vanessa. And what have I got here? I can't see how to get into it. There we go. And this, oh, so this is one of our half clear boxes. Oh, one of our clear boxes that's been cut in half and a little wrap put in so it goes inside the back so it doesn't get damaged, then comes out and goes round the outside, and then this piece stuck on. And there's lots of tea in there. How lovely. And so who's this from? Oh, you'll fill my cup with happiness. That's so sweet. Who's it from though? Ah, here we go. Catherine Harwood from Florida. So that's very nice. But yes, you can see this bit goes inside. Oh, I like a project that needs minimal adhesive. It's got chamomile, English breakfast. So they're rather nice. Perfect for holidays. These would make really lovely gifts for I don't know, if you have a holiday cottage or something and you've got guests, perfect. Right, so this is from Eldona. I didn't see Eldona, I don't think. Do you know, it's one of those trips where you see the same people over and over again and then other people you don't see at all. I saw my lovely Frenchie, France Martin. I only saw her once, but in Thailand saw her every day. It's a beautifully covered notebook, my favourite paper. And then in here, no glue box. Oh, recognise that design too. And actually, you know what? I did a 2-inch version of this very recently. That's so funny. This was one I did, and it was a happy birthday box. Oh, years ago actually, and I modelled it. I was working with another direct sales company at the same time, and they had a jewellery box. So it was one of my old South Hill and Stampin' Up on Sunday projects, but that's funny. Although you probably saw it from somebody else who's perhaps cased. But I love it. I love it. That's my whole remit. Oh no, Jacinthe, the glue has stuck. It's not stuck to the packet, it's stuck to here. Oh. Yeah, that's everything that I do, I enjoy doing because I want to share, and then I want other people to make it and then embellish and make their version of it. So, always very happy when I see projects come back that I've done a version of. So, oh, how do I get into it? Oh, it's been glued closed. Okay. I can't. I'm going to say there's probably sweeties inside, but I can't get into it because it's glued. So, can I get in this end? Not really, but I'm doing my best. This is going to be a very long video. Oh, look, it's 12 minutes already and I've still got half the bag to go through. What have I got in here? I've got chewing gum, it looks like. There we go, chewing gum in there. But a nice little treat. Perfect for, I don't know, well, little gifts for kiddies. Another box to put together. And this looks to be like a cracker box. Who's this? Carol. So I'm going to guess that's going to go around there. These bits are going to fold flat to make the base, and then these will pinch in to make a cracker top box, and then that's the lid to go on the top. And what have I got here? Amy Story. And, oh, Texas Bluebonnet, so that I've got seeds. Very nice. What's this one? Inking with Dink. And in here, I guess it's probably a gift tag or maybe something to hang on the tree because it's got a snowman. And what have I got here? Oh, Yummy's in here. And this is from Karen Phillip. So a little tag on there, and then it's a slide. Oh, with 2 chocolates in there. Very nice. What's this one? So this, oh, this is the desk calendar. Who's it from though? It's from Martina Wucher. I'm going to say that because it's in German, and that's in German, but that is nice. So that would sit up like that. Little desk calendar, 2019, very organised, thank you. Terry Gaines has, oh, what is it? What is this? My eyesight's going rubbish, I can't see how to open it. Let's get that plastic stick back on again. And right, okay, so that folds round and you open up like that, and then that's very cute, very clever. Oh, more chocolates, Ghirardelli, and then it goes, so let me show you. So it opens there and you pull it over and then open it back out again. That's very clever, and I'm guessing by the shape of that this might be gift box punch board as well. What have I got here? Just a note. So I've got a notebook here from Lisa Bell. Very nice. So I like the tearing. If you tear paper in one direction, it gives you that image. If you tear it the other way, you get a smooth edge. So I like that. That's very sweet. It's got a little bit damaged in postage. I'm sorry. But that's very nice. Okay, we're getting there. Wishes for a lifetime of love and happiness. Oh, that is sweet. Little half envelopes in there. So you could put a money wallet. You could make that a money wallet. And that is from Amy Seuss. A little belly band around it that I'm now not going to be able to get back on. There we go. You're my missing piece, and this is from Marie Rester. And okay, so it's been tied closed, so I don't have to rip it. But can't get that bit undone. Oh, hello Berry. What else are you coming to steal? Thought you'd gone away. And then in, oh my goodness, she's done me a jigsaw puzzle. Or she's done 25 people a jigsaw puzzle. That is cute. Okay, I'm not going to do that now, but that's going to be really sweet. And I guess it's probably going to be a similar image, and it looks to be two-sided as well. Very clever, because that is designer series paper, that side, but that is the stamped image on here. Very cute. Thank you very much. Love that. So, and I know lots of you are going to love that. So that's Marie Rester at me.com. Very cool. And this is one I spotted in the bag and I went, oh, that's my tent box. This is full of polos. So, but it doesn't tell me who it's from. There's nothing on it to tell me who that's from. So whoever you are who made You're Pretty Great, Have a Wonderful Adventure with a ship on it, perfectly fitting for being on a cruise, thank you very much. It's a pretty project and I love polos. So what have I got here? Yvette Schweppes from Germany. And so I've got lemon sweeties, and I like this. It says Alaska 18 with a little lemon punch. Creativette, Yvette Schweppes, very sweet. So little sweet lemon sweeties in there. And Cheryl Hamilton, goodness me, what have you made this feel chunky and bulky? Wow. Create with Cheryl. This is a lot of work. And a beautiful, and you know what, this paper hasn't done it for me, but my boys like it, and seeing it used is amazing. Wow. It's a little album. Well, it's not a little album, it's a big album. So, place to put stuff there and there. Brilliant. And there and there. Oh, that will be perfect for all the stuff that I'm going to show you in tomorrow's video. So, absolutely amazing. Oh, no, I've got one more here, which, add me to your memory album or use me as a picture stand, Jennifer. I don't know how to use it as a picture stand. Oh. I wonder if there's something missing from it, but I'm not sure. But it looks to be a card front, so I wonder if Stampin' Up slipped in the wrong thing into my bag, because I did 3D swaps as opposed to card swaps. So you do, if you do card swaps, you get cards back, and if you do 3D, you get 3D back, hence why I've got, you know, these lovely 3D things. So I wonder if they've slipped that in by accident or used me as a picture stand. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that might have been slipped in, but beautiful with the waterfront, so thank you very much. And look, Alaska 2018, and look at this. So we've got all the mountains, and then snow, and then the water, and obviously Alaska 2018. So lovely, even though, like I say, it looks to be a card front. So yeah, all sorts of goodies. And then in tomorrow's video, you'll see all of the bits and stuff, the extra bits that I was given. So this is just my swaps. Tomorrow will be all the other things. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.